Hi everybody, Scott Tanner once again, coming to you live from Sunset Kia in Auburn. I've got a special guest. Introduce yourself, young lady.
My name's Yolanda,
Yolanda.
and I just bought a car.
Hold on a second, I'm going to ask you about that. So, it's a Sunday, and you're out and about driving around, you're around in Auburn, and you've never bought in a car before, have you?
No.
Brand new. I mean, this is like a new car purchase for you. It's a 2017 Dodge Durango RT Edition. It's a bad boy. It's black, it looks beautiful. Share your experience with everybody out there, what you thought of how it was to work with us here at
It was
Sunset.
awesome. Very nice people. Good help. On time. Awesome.
Awesome. And I asked you another thing when you pulled in the driveway. You were like, Scott, what was it about? What'd you want to do? You wanted to be on the Gong Show.
Oh, the Gong Show.
Of course. Are you ready to do it?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Hit it loud. Woo! 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 Do me a favor. You got to do a circle dance. Circle dance. Woo! Congratulations. Find out what everybody's experiencing. It's a Sunset experience right here at Sunset Kia of Auburn. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Make it a great day.